It's a 2021 Cadillac Escalade. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be. And it comes with all the amenities you need. V8 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, streaming video feed rear view mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today. Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.